Well, hello my loves, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Silvina, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to create day to night outfits, and at the end I will give you some outfit ideas. Creating day to night outfits allows you to transition seamlessly from daytime activities to evening events without having to change your entire outfit. This is perfect for those occasions that you're on the go, or you go to work and then you have an event afterward, or maybe you just have a couple of minutes to go home and polish up your look, so you don't want to change your entire outfit. So here are some tips to help you create some versatile day-to-night outfits. First of all, start with basics. Choose basic pieces that can work for different occasions. For example, a tailored dress or a jumpsuit or a classic combination of pants and a blouse. And opt for classic styles in neutral colors that can easily be dressed up or down. Number 2 is to layer strategically. Layering can really help you transform your outfit from day to night. During the day, you can add a cardigan, a jean jacket, or a blazer for your professional environments. And for the evening, you can swap them for more statement pieces like a statement jacket or a statement blazer or a dressy wrap to elevate your outfits. Number 3 is to accessorize thoughtfully. During the day, you can opt for more comfortable pieces like, some sandals or some sneakers or a low heel for work. And for the evening, you can switch them for more dressier options like some pumps or some heel sandals or some boots. Number 5, and we kind of already talked about this, is to add statement pieces. So incorporate 1 or 2 statement pieces to transform your outfits for the evening. It could be a bold blazer, some statement jewelry, a sequin clutch, or a statement belt. These pieces can instantly elevate any look and make it more suitable for evening events. Number 6 is to have in mind your makeup and hair. Adjusting your makeup and hair can really help you to transform your look. During the day, you can go for a lighter makeup and a more natural hairstyle. And for the evening, you can intensify your makeup by adding a bold lip or a smoky eye. And also you can style your hair in an updo or a sleek blowout or some glamorous waves. So now that we have the principles, let's check out some outfits that can work for the daytime, and just by adjusting some details, it can also work for the nighttime. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section if you liked these tips and which outfit was your favorite. Lastly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications down below. And as always, I will leave the links in the description box of all of my social media so you can go check them out. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day. We'll see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao!